Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about KYVE Network and more specifically about the incentivized testnet. So as you can see here, I'm on the main page of KYVE Network. And just as a reminder, KYVE is basically a way to store some data, some blockchain data, on-chain data for any blockchain. And this will be stored on KYVE. And basically, if we need some of these data to be retrieved, KYVE will retrieve this data from KYVE so that any, for example, developer will be able to use this data. So basically, if you looked at the website, what you will see is that there is now, and it has started on the 2nd of May, an incentivized testnet, and this will be until the 2nd of July, because this will last for 2 months. So the way they have done this is basically to do some kind of mission, which is a competition between all the early user of KYVE app. So if you go on their Medium blog, it's quite well explained that this mission will enable people to gain some points. So here, for example, you have 3 different categories to earn some points. You have the design category, the community category, and the engineering category. So for the design category, basically you have to create some content. So either some video or some, I don't know, funny content. For the community one, it's basically using the Twitter and the faucets, either the Discord faucets or the wheel faucets. And each time you use it, you will gain some points. And finally, for the engineering category, you will have to actually use KYVE app. So either to vote on governance proposal, to stake or delegate, or to fund, for example, pools. So now if we go on the website and the KYVE Network app, what you will see is different categories. So you have right now here the pools, network status, and the governance. So different pools that you have here right now are the ones that we can use for the testnet. If you go to governance, you can see the different status of the proposals that have been done in the past, either validated or rejected. And it's quite easy. We can do it right now because there is no new proposal right now, but you can vote quite easily using your wallet. So if you're a user, you will be able to see how it's been distributed, how your tokens are distributed. So right now you can see that my balance is about 2000 KYVE, and then I have only 100 KYVE delegated. So if I want, for example, to show you right now how I can delegate some KYVE, I just have to go here. If I choose, for example, the Bitcoin pool, and then I go to delegation, I just have to choose one of the validator here, click become a delegator, choose how much I want to delegate, let's say 1 KYVE, and say delegate in validator with 1 KYVE, and then I approve in my Kepler wallet, which you can see, and then wait for it to be delegated. So it's just like, 3 to 5 seconds. It's quite fast. So now I can see that my delegations are on this validator. I don't have any reward yet because I just delegated it, but my reward will depend on how much commission this validator takes. If I want to be a validator, well, I have to check first what are the minimum staking amounts. So right now on Bitcoin pool, I need more than 9,000 KYVE to be a validator. So as you can see, if I go on the last page, see the last pool, because we have only 50 pool validators, has already more than 9,000 KYVE. So if I have less than that, I cannot be a validator on this network. Okay, so basically this is the explanation for this delegation way of proceeding and validator tasks. But I can also use the faucets. So right now I can't because I already done it, but I just have to copy paste this one in the faucet in the Discord, and this will give me some more points. I can spin the wheel here to have some more points. And then what I can do is check my profile. So right now I'm 191th um, on the all of the people which are playing this competition, and you can see the distribution between the different category I explained earlier. So the points I got for the content were for doing some kind of videos. The community points are from, as I said, we can actually see here community for Twitter, retweets, likes, follows, and the faucets. And my engineering tasks comes from the fact that I already voted for governance proposals. I staked and ran a node as a validator to validate and create bundles. I funded a few times, and of course I delegated uh, some KYVE to other validators. I encourage you to try everything because it's kind of interesting to see how you can do all of these. If you need to understand how you can run a node and to be a validator, I encourage you to check on Discord the tutorials that has been done by KYVE team. That's all for me. Have a nice day. Cheers.